Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to try to model this face in Blender. Blender is new software for me. I usually model in Maya, so Blender is something new for me. So let's model this simple face in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our face model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.